In this video, I'll show you how to check the GPU model on your Windows PC or laptop. Now let's get started. First, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. The run box will appear. Type DXDIAG and then press Enter. The DirectX diagnostic tool will open. This tool shows useful information about your computer. On the System tab, you can see details such as your processor, RAM, and Windows version. To check your graphics card, click the Display tab at the top. Some computers may have two display tabs, such as Display 1 and Display 2. This usually means your computer has more than one graphics card, for example, an integrated GPU and a dedicated GPU. Click each display tab to view the information for each graphics card. Under the Device section, look next to Name. This is the model of your GPU. You can also see other details, including the manufacturer, display memory, VRAM, screen resolution, and driver version. And that's it. You now know how to check the GPU model on your Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.